calls me every time. I'm serious.
Are you high?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Now he's asking if I'm high.
I apologize, Mariah. Thank you.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye. What is up, guys, and welcome back. So, I think it was January, I got my friend of mine did my exhaust for me so that I can drive the car on the street. It wouldn't be too overwhelming. And I bought some Hooker Aero Chamber mufflers for it, and it's been a while. I've ran them for a little while and they're pretty decent, and it does quiet it down a lot, but I think it's time for a change. So tomorrow we're going to be putting these Flowmaster Super 10s. They're a one chamber on it. And I thought I'd just insert a couple of clips of what it sounds like now, and then once we get it done, what it sounds like after.